do the reduction. I'm throwing it out, so we're not going to turn the bag inside out. Oh! Just a little mess on the table. All right. Let's put that on the stove and reduce it down. Oops, made a mess. That's about good. Have to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn on the bottom. We actually were filling up our shiitake mushroom powder because we're actually going to put in some shiitake mushroom powder. Could cook this a little bit longer to reduce it down more, but I know I'm adding the shiitake mushroom powder. Got 1 stick of butter. We'll melt that down. We'll be right back. Alright, you can hear it bubbling away in the back. And there it is, nice and creamy. Now we're going to do the shiitake mushroom powder. Couple tablespoons. Maybe 3. Shiitake mushroom powder is excellent additive if you're doing Thanksgiving dinner and you, instead of using flour or cornstarch, just add the shiitake mushroom powder and use that as a thickening agent and a flavoring agent. Try to break up some of those chunks. That actually looks like a piece of meat. It is. There you go. Looks perfect. All right. We got a London broil over here. As you can see, cooked perfectly. That's the thick one. The other one, now we're not worried about it. We're just going to pour it right in here. Nothing goes to waste. There you go. That's ready for my dinner tonight. Yummy. Love it.